How to delete deposits in QuickBooks. 2 quick solutions. Solution 1, how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Desktop. Step 1, first launch QuickBooks. Step 2, in the banking section click on Check Register. Step 3, select Account and press OK. Step 4, find the deposit that you want to delete from the list. Step 5, double-click on it, and that'll bring up the deposit screen. Step 6, to delete your deposit click on Edit menu at top of the page and click on Delete Deposit from the list. Step 7, now go ahead and save the changes. Step 8, while you can delete the deposit, QuickBooks also offers an alternative way, and that is to void the deposit. Step 9, to void the deposit, click on Edit menu at top of the page and click on Void Deposit. Step 10, then click on Save and Close and select Yes in the pop-up to confirm the changes. Solution 2, how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Online. Step 1, open QuickBooks Online and log in. Step 2, click on Accounting on the left panel and select Chart of Accounts. Step 3, this will show up all the accounts you are using. Select the account by clicking on View Register. Step 4, now, you will see all the transactions of that account. Step 5, click on the deposit that you wish to delete and then select Delete. Step 6, go ahead and confirm by clicking on Yes in the pop-up. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 or +44 800 0548150.